I tried Nabox extension wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I installed the Nabox wallet extension, I didn't expect much. It looked like just another multi-chain wallet trying to compete with giants like MetaMask. But after using it every day for a week, the shocking truth is that Nabox might quietly be one of the best kept secrets in the DeFi world. On day 1, setup was quick, no complex steps, no personal data required. Nabox runs as a browser extension and mobile app, built primarily for the Nulls and Nerve networks, but also supports Ethereum, Ben Smart Chain, Polygon and dozens more. That multi-chain capability immediately stood out. By day 2, I tested token transfers. The experience was smooth and fast. Switching networks took seconds and the interface clearly displayed all assets across chains. Most people get this wrong. They assume managing multiple blockchains means constant wallet switching and high gas fees. Nabox solves that by letting you manage everything in one place. Midweek, I explored its cross-chain bridge. That's where things got interesting. The built-in Nerve bridge lets you move tokens across chains without the usual confusion or third-party platforms. It's simple, efficient, and surprisingly low fee. By day 5, I tested dApp connections from DeFi farms to NFTi marketplaces. Nabox connected easily, with clear signing prompts and privacy warnings. It feels both user-friendly and security-conscious. After 7 days, the shocking truth was clear. Nabox isn't just a niche wallet. It's a multi-chain powerhouse built for people who actually use DeFi across ecosystems. It's lightweight, fast, and flexible, something most wallets still struggle to achieve. If you're looking for a decentralized wallet that keeps things simple but powerful, Nabox might be the underrated tool you didn't know you needed.